Okay, so a common question we get here at Forestry Suppliers is how do you replace the blade on the Swedish safety brush axe that we've carried for years? And really it's relatively simple, but you need a good vise or something that's kind of close together that you can pry between. And you put the bar in the vise, and then you just press down on the handle and the blade slides off. And then to put it back on, you just basically reverse the same procedure. Put it in the vise. It's a notch right here on the back side that the blade has to fit into. And be careful because these things are extremely sharp. So that's how it's done.